No matter how fancy you go on your meals for some days, but after that, we start craving for a basic bowl of dal and rice. Hey guys, welcome back to RovitaS and let's try Dhaba style Dal Tadka. For this recipe you need 1 finely chopped medium onion and tomato, 2 green chili, half a lemon, green coriander and a few juliennes of ginger. Now add 2 tablespoons desi ghee in a pan, add half teaspoon cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add 1 dried red chili, 1/4 teaspoon hing, 2 green chilies split into half and ginger juliennes. Saute and add onions. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Now cook till the onions become golden brown in color. Add 1/4 teaspoon each of red chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Mix well and add in chopped tomatoes. Now cook them till they become very soft. Here we are adding 1 cup yellow lentils or tur dal or arhar dal, which has been cooked for 2 whistles. Mix and squeeze half a lemon and add chopped green coriander for garnishing. Garnish with some tomato, coriander, green chili, ginger and of course desi ghee. Enjoy this with rice or roti, and this dal is so good you don't need anything to accompany it. Enjoy this recipe and please subscribe to our channel for many more amazing meal ideas and other videos. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.